This is how AI becomes biased, visually explained.
Training an AI system is like raising a child. The parents play a big role in deciding the values they teach them, what they can watch on TV, and where they live. And these factors shape a child's worldview. Imagine a child who grew up in Antarctica and the only animal they ever saw was a penguin. They would think that penguins are the only animals in the world. But they have an incomplete worldview because they haven't seen all the other animals that exist. AI has the same problem, which can limit its abilities, but also create unfavorable outcomes for some people. And this bias can come from different sources. First, the beliefs and values of people can influence how AI systems are designed and trained. If the child's father was an avid penguin enthusiast, he might constantly talk about how penguins are the best animals on Earth. The child would adopt the same belief because it's all they've been exposed to. And this is the same reason why some chatbots will respond differently if you ask them controversial questions. Bias can also exist within the training data if it has any imbalances that ignore the nuances of the world. If the parents only give their child books about penguins, there is no way for them to learn about new and different species. This is why language models might give you lower quality responses in languages other than English. Bias can also emerge from incorrect and oversimplistic rules that a machine identifies during training. The child who has only seen penguins would think that animals are only creatures that are black, white, and have flippers. And this is why image generators associate certain jobs with specific genders and races. Unfortunately, there's no reliable solution to eliminate bias from AI. After all, bias is part of being human, and if we're trying to replicate the way humans think and act, bias is inevitable. AI is only a mirror image of us after all.
But the way AI generates outputs is very different from how we operate, but I'll explain that in tomorrow's video.